Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Tatak Delish. I will be making creative dishes made of squash. Yung kalabasang nabili natin sa Beats Farm in San Fernando, La Union. We will feature in this video tonight yung Yema de Kalabasa and Squashbrowns. So, it's hashbrowns na gawa po sa squash. So, ayan, pwede nyo po yung itry ngayong quarantine period, tipid sa ingredients. Kalabasa lang yung main ingredients, yung iba mahahanap nyo na sa inyong pantry and pwede namang substitute.
Let me do it.
The other one.
Ow. Whoa. I think this is don't how you make pumpkin pie. I think this is
Sige, mix mo.
like this.
Ang maganda sa kalabasa, low carb siya compared dun sa ibang starchy vegetable. So, I don't know for strict keto, baka hindi pwede sa kanila. Pero kung low carb diet lang naman, pasok to. Kasi nutritious and locally available and mura siya. Madali din gawin. So, I use mozzarella, but you can use any cheese that you prefer or skip the cheese altogether. Okay? So, yan. Panoorin niyo po yung kung paano natin siya ginawa. I prepared a small one for me there. Small lang. Para matikman din natin there. So, tikman lang natin. Manipis lang yung ginawa ko for myself. Laki. Dito natin. So, sana masarap. Cheesy Squashbrowns. Mainit bago luto. Lasa siyang okay. Social na okay. Okay? Basically, okay lang din naman kasi siya. Pero hindi siya deep fried. Konting-konting oil lang naman ginamit natin. And marami kasi siyang mozzarella. So, pero for me, I like it. Ketchup kung gusto ng mga chikiting, pero I don't really like ketchup. So, it's good. So guys, if meron kayong dish na gawa sa kalabasa, please share with me. Comment down below kasi talaga naghahanap ako ng dish na gawa sa kalabasa kasi it's low carb, nutritious, mura, and locally available. So I hope you enjoyed watching our videos for today, for tonight. Please keep watching and please share na rin po our videos. So thank you. Good night.